students, today my topic is preparation of acetylene from haloform. This is chloroform. Because of halogen it is also known as haloform. CHCl3. When two molecules of chloroform react with 6 atoms of silver powder in presence of heat, it forms acetylene and 6 molecules of AgCl. Now come to laboratory method, Wohler's method. Acetylene prepared by this method when calcium carbide, this is the formula of calcium carbide, when calcium carbide react with water, then impure acetylene contain arsenic trihydride, H2S and phosphine. When passed through the copper sulfate solution, it get pure and it is exothermic. Exothermic means which evolve heat outside reaction. Now come to this apparatus. This is the lab method. We take, this is the conical flask. We take calcium carbide. At the bottom there is a sand. On the sand we take calcium carbide and pour water from the thistle funnel. When calcium carbide react with water, then impure acetylene form. Then this impure acetylene goes to this delivery tube to the acidic copper sulfate solution. All the impurities such as arsenic trihydride, H2S and phosphine, these are the impurities. They just left behind here and pure acetylene formed in the gas jar. Now second method is manufacturing. It is carried out on a large scale. First you understand the reaction. When calcium carbonate get heated, it separate into CaO and CO2. When this CaO again reacted with 3 atoms of carbon, it forms calcium carbide and carbon monoxide. When calcium carbide react with 2 molecules of water, it forms acetylene and calcium hydroxide. This is the apparatus. We take 2 tanks. This is the uppermost tank and this tank is filled with water. When this tank is empty, there is no gas, so this tank is heavy and it sinks down in the water. When it sinks down in the water, then this calcium carbide and water react with each other and form acetylene. When this acetylene is formed, because of this gas, the tank become lighter and push upward, and the calcium carbide is not get reacted with water at that stage. When we remove acetylene from this pipe, it again become heavy and sink into the water, and again calcium carbide react with the water. The reaction is like that. Calcium carbide when react with water, it forms acetylene and calcium hydroxide. Now come to the industrial method, natural gas. This is the natural gas, also known as methane. When we take 2 molecules of methane and heat it at 1200 degrees centigrade with electric arc, it forms acetylene and 3 molecules of H2. By action of O2, when again methane reacted with O2 at 1500 degrees centigrade, then it forms acetylene, carbon monoxide and 10 molecules of H2. Physical properties: it is colorless gas having ethereal odor. Due to presence of impurity, it has garlic odor, that means we just use in our spices. Now slightly soluble in liquid, solvent, highly explosive. It is highly explosive and it is slightly soluble in liquid. It produces sharp light on burning, which is harmful for eyes. So today my question is, how acetylene get prepared and what is its physical properties? Thank you.